I don't even know. Does it say which numbers are which on that?
Yes, every clipper will have numbers.
No, it's say, for example, what measurement is it using?
Yeah.
No, what measurement is it saying?
If it has both, just tell me what.
On top, I usually did like 5 or 6, and on the side, the last time we did was like 1 or something.
5 or 6.
Yeah. Don't you start at the side though?
Yes. So what was the side?
It was like 1.
This one also has A and B for whatever reason.
Very confusing.
Okay.
F in chat for the fro. Yep.
F in chat for the fro.
F in chat.
Okay. So.
Thank you, Stefan. Somebody's on the side of getting a haircut.
Well, you know, we can try doing the sides first and then.
And then see how it looks?
See how it looks.
Okay.
Right? Oh, do you have an actual razor?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
For the beard, you mean?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Oh shit. Here we go.
Do I need to adjust you guys, or are you guys good?
I shave my head every other day. I don't really feel simple. Oh, okay. I can't even read chat cards.
Okay.
This barber
This
is not
awkward.
very gentle.
This is awkward because I don't have much room to move.
Should I just go?
That doesn't help. You gotta scoot to the right a little.
Okay.
That's fine. You're fine. I scooted you for you.
Scooted you for you.
Okay. It smells like chicken nuggets right now.
It does. Somebody's making food.
Okay, there we go. When was the last time I cut your hair?
A long time ago. Rest in peace, guys. Goodbye. Save me. Am I dead yet?
So much hair.
You're so gentle.
Am I?
I'm just comparing to like barbers. Because you're afraid. The worst thing that can happen
Let's just
is.
start in the back. Let's just do that.
Sure.
Alright, how about this then?
Good luck, guys. Get up.
I'm gonna put you like this then. Your face that way.
Okay, sure. I'm facing the wall.
We don't have like much room to move, so you're gonna have to move for me.
Oh wait, F? What is this? F in, for the fro, or is the stream still good, guys?
Is the stream okay?
Don't troll me. Is that Kezu? Stream's
Yeah.
okay. I think there's F in for the fro or something.
Oh, I should have taken a picture of the back. Can you keep your head straight?
Yes. F for fro. Hey Ev, who is the Wookiee you're shaving?
Who said that?
Gandalfus? I'm molding right now. Straight up molding.
This would be nice if I had a brush actually. To like.
Don't you have like your own brush you could use?
I'm not using that on your hair.
Oh, my hair ain't worth it. Clean the blades of hair, says Neff. Otherwise it can get uneven. I think he knows what he's talking about. Okay, I'm getting slapped.
I don't have a brush, so I have to do that.
Yeah, sure, keep slapping me. Haircut stream pog. I'm just reading chat, meanwhile, it's chill.
That's fine. Just don't move your hair as you do it.
Okay.
Or your head.
Quarantine lifestyle, same here, yeah. You know, she didn't even want to cut my hair.
I didn't want to. Can you guys hear us fine, by the way?
Yeah, can you guys hear us fine? Let me know. You need a comb, at least?
Yeah, I don't have a comb. And Tal, do you have a comb?
No.
Actually, our travel kits. You know the ones we get on planes? They
Oh,
should
yeah.
have it. Alright, I'll go get
That's
one.
genius, actually. I never had a comb, or I never used a comb, but it's true that the travel kits you get sometimes when you fly, rip flying, they actually have them. That's a smart idea. I ain't going bald, guys. I ain't down with that. Bowl cut, please. Do you think she'll do a better job than last time? I'm not sure. This is a good look. Thank you. I mean, we're gonna try just cutting the sides first and then have a look just out of curiosity. Maybe I'll like clean up my beard too. Just, you know, might as well test out all the different looks while we're at it.